A computer system is a complex and interconnected set of hardware and software components designed to perform specific tasks or functions. It plays a fundamental role in processing, storing, and managing information. Let's break down the key components and concepts that make up a typical computer system. 1. Hardware. Central Processing Unit CPU, often referred to as the brain of the computer. The CPU executes instructions from the computer's memory. Memory RAM. Random access memory RAM is a volatile memory that provides high-speed data access to the CPU for temporary storage of information. Storage devices. These include hard drives, solid-state drives SSDs, and other storage media which store data and programs persistently. Input devices. Devices like keyboards, mice, and touchscreens allow users to input data into the computer. Output devices. Monitors, printers, and speakers are examples of output devices that display or provide information to the user. 2. Software. Operating System OS. The OS is a crucial software component that manages hardware resources, provides a user interface, and facilitates the execution of applications. Applications. These are the programs or software that users interact with to perform specific tasks, such as word processors, web browsers, and games. 3. Data. Data representation. Computers use binary code OS and 1 second to represent and process information. Different data types, such as text, numbers, and multimedia, are represented using various coding schemes. Data storage. Information is stored in different formats and locations, including RAM for temporary storage and long-term storage devices like hard drives or SSDs. 4. Communication. Input-output I/O. The transfer of data between the computer and external devices occurs through input and output operations. This includes communication with peripherals like keyboards, printers, and network devices. Networking. Computers can communicate with each other over networks, enabling data exchange and resource sharing. 5. Architecture. Von Neumann architecture. This is a fundamental computer architecture that separates memory and processing units. It consists of a central processing unit, memory, input or output devices, and a control unit. 6. Security. Security measures. Computer systems implement security measures such as firewalls, antivirus software, and encryption to protect against unauthorized access, data breaches, and malware. Understanding the components and their interactions is essential for anyone working with or studying computer systems. The field of computer science continually evolves, with advancements in hardware, software, and networking, contributing to the development of more powerful and capable computer systems.